Hi, I'm Keelan. I'm within Siemens, and I'm in the Battery Solutions team and leading the end-of-line initiative within Siemens.
My name is Sean Murphy. I'm the CEO, CTO, and co-founder of Titan AES, and I love what I do. So Titan uses ultrasonic technology to scan battery cells to determine the highest quality of battery there is.
Siemens decided to collaborate with Titan because one of the major challenges in the battery industry is that the existing test and measurement methods are costly, time-consuming, and cannot detect all defects, and cannot scale up to 100% of the production output. And that's how I came to Titan AES, because their solution has a huge potential to make this change.
What we did is we use inline ultrasonic scanning where you scan the whole battery, but you scan inside of the battery once it's assembled to understand what is happening inside the battery. Then you create a digital twin, and then you can really compare the real battery to the digital twin. And that's how you create this unprecedented quality control in the battery manufacturing. Our whole analysis takes half a second. The ultrasound is non-radioactive. It's fully automated. It works.
The collaboration with Titan improves the Siemens portfolio because we can deliver our IT and OT expertise into the battery field, and as well we can improve our own battery solutions we are developing right now to gain more insights in the field of batteries and to perform root cause analysis in order to improve the battery production, increase the yield, and decrease the scrap.
The collaboration with Siemens has been fantastic on multiple levels. Their team is exceptional.
Siemens and Titan has understood that it is key to have a good collaboration and co-creation for being successful in the market. And we are working towards a better and more sustainable future.
I love working with their people.